All right, there's the opening bell on this Jobs Friday, and
for Contour Brands, Wrangler,
yes,
maker of
exactly.
Wrangler and Lee jeans. There we go.
We got some jeans ringing the opening bell this morning, and a lot of cowboy hats happening as well. PBR 30. I assume that's some sort of
professional bull riding.
Bull riding. That's right. We knew about this. I really wanted to see the mechanical bull on the floor.
I can't pull off
the
a
New York
cowboy hat.
Stock Exchange.
I think you and Brad can maybe pull off a cowboy hat.
I can pull off a cowboy hat.
Yeah, I know you guys could. I can't.
I
Call that my Old Town Road look. Yes.
So we've got stocks opening here this morning on this Jobs Friday, and we have had a lot of enthusiasm for the jobs numbers this morning. The better than expected growth in payrolls, the lower than expected unemployment rate, all of it, and of course, very importantly, also the lower than expected wage growth. All of that leading folks to extrapolate things for the Fed here this morning, Brad.
Yeah, we're officially off into the races here in today's trading activity. And in the session early moments, we're seeing the Dow open up higher by about 0.8%. NASDAQ composite, we're seeing that up by about 0.4%. So fractional gains for both the Dow and the NASDAQ, and the trifecta coming in the form of the S&P 500. So you've got green across the board for the U.S. major averages here. We were taking a look at some of the yields earlier on that had started to move lower. We'll get back to those. But the NASDAQ composite, taking a look at the tech-heavy average here for mega cap tech, you're seeing things a little mixed right now. Amazon, you're seeing that lower by a little more than 1%. Apple, higher by about 0.5% right now. But Microsoft and Google, both of those are lower. So stocks for both Microsoft and Google down fractionally. But in the chip landscape, and we're going to dive into this just a little bit later on, but just to touch on NVIDIA, since it's so close to the others, it's up by about 1%. Also want to take a brief look at some of the sector activity that we're seeing out of the gate this morning. You've got 10 out of 11 S&P 500 sectors in positive territory. Sorry, there's 11 green boxes, but ultimately it's 10 out of 11 sectors that are in positive territory. XLY, the lone laggard right now on the day. Consumer discretionary, you're seeing that down by about 0.3% right now.
Very interesting.